Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Now in this video today, we're at the Salvation Army and we're going to be thrifting. So now if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who have been with me for a while or even from the very beginning, I want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Now remember that subscribing to the channel is totally free. And make sure and click that like button and full watch the video because this helps me to grow. And comment below because I would love to hear from you. Now I'm going to take this opportunity to go ahead and make some collab announcements. So make sure and grab your coffee, a pen and a paper, and let's start writing these down, guys. Now I'm going to start with Tablescape Tuesdays, and this is being hosted by the Ladies of Elegance. And that is Amethyst Adventures, Courtney, and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and that's Anna, and that's me. Now, Tablescape Tuesdays is amazing. You can come with any style, theme, or color. It's freestyle, guys. And the best part about it is that you get to meet other content creators and gleam off of their technique, or they can gleam off of yours. It is an absolutely beautiful platform. So the next one is Sophisticated Saturdays, and this one also is being hosted by the Ladies of Elegance, and this is also a great collab. We only host it once a month, but we do bring in a guest, and you can pretty much decorate any area of your home with class and elegance, and it is an awesome collab. Okay, so now the next collab is called We Gather Together, and this is an open collaboration, guys. So this is for November 9th at 7, and I do have hosts and co-hosts. I am in the process of updating this thumbnail that I have right here. I also have some details. Make sure and head on over to my community tab because that's where my updates on all my collabs will be. So now the only thing I'm asking in this particular collab is just to mention one thing that you're thankful for. This is going to be an amazing collab. So now this collaboration is called A Princess Dream, and that's being hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Tammy from the Glam Queen of Decor. So now this is a 3-part series, but rest assured I have given you ideas of things you can do, like a beverage bar, coffee bar. You can make a dish. You can make it a fashion video. You can do a tablescape or DIY. It's pretty much freestyle, and it's all about getting the bride ready for a special day. Okay, so now this collaboration here, and I think this is the final one, at least for now, guys, but I am really excited about this one because it's called Holiday Dishes from Around the World. And the reason why I want you to jump into this is because a lot of you come from different parts of the world, different places, and so your main dishes are not necessarily the American-made dishes that we traditionally do here in the United States. So I would love to see what it is that you cook in your home place, or even a place that you visited and that you absolutely love. So this collab is also going to be an awesome collab. Remember that all of the information on all of these collabs, including the upcoming ones, are going to be in my community tab in my YouTube channel. I also have a platform over in Instagram and a chat room. So make sure that you either message me below. If you have any questions, go over to my community tab or the chat room over in Instagram because we would love to have you. Now, please don't forget that all of these collaborations are open invites, and I cannot wait to have you in all of it, so you are cordially invited. So I think I'm going to leave you alone to show you the rest of the video, and I'll come back in at the end, guys. So I did forget one, and this is a really good one, guys. This is called the Decorator Lantern Collab, the Christmas edition, and we definitely don't want to forget that one. I do believe that's it for now, but we will be updating you as we go along. So make sure and write that down. I believe that one is for December 7th, yes, at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I cannot wait to see you there. So let's go shopping. So I think I had an awesome trip here at the Salvation Army, and so a lot of things I think I'm going to turn around and pick up. So I hope that you jotted all this information down. If not, head on over to my community tab, guys. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.